Recently, I received a comment on my community post, and the viewer Geetanjali Kotaria has asked me a question. Can you please make videos on how to write English 1 answer sheet, especially 12 marks questions? Okay, so she has asked me to make a video on how to attempt 12 marks English 1 long questions effectively. So here we go. Starting with the long questions first. So here is a question before you. Discuss Bennett's presentation of Dr. Austin Bond as a detective. So whenever you answer a long question, you have to start with the following line. The above question is taken from the novel Murder, written by Arnold Bennett, and then you have to write 2 lines about the author, that is, Arnold Bennett was so and so, he wrote so and so books. Then you write 2 lines about the main plot of the story. What is the story about? This is the introduction para. Then comes the main body of your answer. In this main body of the answer, you actually answer the question. So the question is, discuss Bennett's presentation of Dr. Austin Bond. So now you have to describe Dr. Austin Bond through the eyes of the author. Whatever description and opinion has been given by the author in his story, you have to recreate that and you have to describe that with respect to the crime scene. How Dr. Austin Bond arrives at the crime scene, how he collects the evidences, the way in which he solves the crime, and how he arrives at a conclusion that it is a suicide and not a murder. Lastly, there will be a conclusion paragraph in which you will write your own opinion of the story and of the conclusion arrived by the detective, that is Dr. Austin Bond. What do you think about this particular event, this particular story? So if I have to write the conclusion, I would write, although the way of solving the case was wrong, but according to the circumstantial evidences which were collected by Dr. Austin Bond, he was correct in his own sense. This is my opinion of the story. So you will write your opinion of the story in the conclusion, and in this way you will complete your answer.